Prime Minister Datuk Sri Najib Razak expects the ringgit to improve to 3.8 against the US dollar in the near term. According to Bernama, Najib, who's also the finance minister, says he's optimistic based on several positive economic indicators. These include the nation's strong performance and export value of more than 80 billion ringgit in the first quarter of 2018. The local currency has already strengthened to 3.9 versus the greenback. The Securities Commission expects companies to raise about 120 billion ringgit from the capital markets this year. The figure is above the 5-year average of 114 billion ringgit, but lags last year's record high of 146.6 billion. Chairman Ranjit Ajit Singh called 2017 an outlier year. He says the corporate bond and sukuk market continues to have a favourable outlook. This year, domestic fundraising is expected to be largely driven by the corporate bonds and sukuk market. Top Glove's second quarter net profit climbed 31.2% year-on-year to 109 million ringgit on higher sales. Revenue was up 12.5% to 958.4 million ringgit as demand for natural rubber gloves rose. During the quarter, the glove maker's sales volume surged by an all-time high of 21%. As for its first half results, earnings grew 37% to 214.5 million ringgit on the back of 1.9 billion in revenue. Executive Chairman Tan Sri Lim Wee Chai says the group is expecting a challenging second half. He says Top Glove will continue its quality improvement and cost-saving projects. Shares of Lion Diversified Holdings may be delisted on March 26th. This is after Bursa shot down its application for more time to submit its regularization plan. The group failed to regularize its condition in accordance with the main market listing requirements. As a result, trading in its shares will be suspended from March 22nd. The company may be able to defer its delisting if it files an appeal to Bursa by March 21st. The steelmaker fell into PN 17 status about 2 years ago due to huge defaults in payments. Petronas has invested $60 million to build a global R&T center in Turin, Italy. The investment was made via its unit, Petronas Lubricants International or PLI. Downstream Marketing VP Datuk Sri Syed Zainal Abidin Syed Muhammad Tahir says this reflects its commitment in investing for future technology, especially in CO2 reduction. The facility is located close to OEM offices in the region. This will allow the firm to leverage on the city's expertise in automotive engineering. PLI will open another research centre in India this year.